You want to know what I wonder?
What?
When Darth Vader masturbates, does he force choke himself a little bit?
Good question is good. Longer, we need it rolling.
You hear that? Or do you think he?
Can't tell me stuff like that.
Do you think he screams out David Carradine or what? I wish I was David Carradine.
Oh, no, I'll be right back. No, I won't.
He's like, I'm right back.
I'm going to hell.
That just put some wrong images in my head, seriously. So all I can picture is he's got himself up against a wall. And he's going.
Don't forget the pantyhose. Wait, what?
Whoa! What a lady!
Hey, sexy lady.
Oh shit! It's stuck. Fuck me.
Come on, Amy, your ankle's messed up. Do the Gangnam Style. Let's go.
Yeah, I want to be just stay messed up, not fuck it up like I was 2 weeks ago.
It's Gangnam style, not cripple style.
Plus, at least then I was kind of on the clock, so workman's comp out here.
Oh,
That's a good one.
holy shit! That was some pizza right there.
Say
Oh
whore.
my.
Sounded like she said whore.
Whore.
Let's see.
Hold on.
Nah,
It kind of came out all
first
fucked up.
effort.
Whore.
Yours got like cut off at the end.
I was going for a Crowley, okay? That was musical.
Yeah, what?
It's the remix.
Oh my god, now we have to make a song with that. Over and over.
Ass, fun.
Whore.
Balls.
Ball it.
Jerk.
Oh, hiccups.
Bitch.
Son of a bitch.
Actually,
You son of a
bitch.
bitch.
Son of a bitch.
Every freaking apple pie was worth it.
Pudding. Kathy,
Here, just give me some 5 minutes with clippers.
pudding.
This is why we can't have nice things, Sam.
2 girls, 1 cupcake.
Oh.
That was funny.
That's the actual title of that place in Utica, too.
Right? Yeah, it is.
Badass cupcakes, though. Good shit.
Were you the one that posted the Barbie one about the 2 girls and a cupcake?
I got that from Rev.
Yeah, I was gonna say if.
Because they're
Yeah, I
all
was
full
gonna say, I
of
remember Rev
frosting.
posting
All
that.
full of chocolate frosting.
Yeah, that was Rev.
I was looking at that shaking my head because it was so funny.
Yep, Rev. That's him.
And I was just like, oh, bad memories.
I wanted cupcakes after that. I'm like, Fatty likes
Well,
cake.
I like cupcakes too, but I didn't have any around, so I was like, damn it.
Mine retreated.
Is it gonna leak out the back?
No. It's stuck right here.
Hey, it hurts.
So.
Oh, now it's stuck. Good job.
Swing, better, swing.
Major League. Wait, what?
Ferris Bueller.
Wow thing.
I was going for the Ferris Bueller's. Swing, better, swing.
I wasn't sure whether you were going to throw up there or what.
Oh no.
There we go.
Oh shit. Audience.
Ah, fuck him. DJ's carpet. Whoop whoop.
Some carpet in the house.
If they dump a body over there, I'm gonna be pissed. Or they just need to use the pisser. There you go. Good call.
I think I'd rather shit my pants than use a porta john, dude. Swear, ew.
And last year was selfish, but you know I kind of don't have a choice, so
Yeah.
make the best
Once you
of
start
it.
drinking, you gotta use something. They don't like it when you whip it out in public. Especially in front of the children.
Be right back. And so the quotes page begins.
But I like it.
And I had to run so many times last year, too. It sucked.
Well, you know,
Not breaking the seal's worse. That's all I gotta say.
Yeah.
Unless you're crawling the extra 2 inches.
Hello, boys.
Hello, darling. That's my
I
text.
hate to break it to you, kitten.
But a whore is a whore is a whore.
Yep.
You keep talking dirty like that.
He usually says balls.
It doesn't want to. Oh, there we go. Status.
His body always said balls, but it's like the same thing.
It's like the British version.
Bugger.
Yeah. Well, there's another something to it, but Chris and I looked it up, and one of the meetings is balls. So I was laughing, and I was like, yeah, it's British version.
Oh, Superman! Reeling in over there. Fuck me.
No shit.
Watch your curtsies there, you might hurt yourself.
I used my good ankle to just like, oh, if I'm gonna fall over, let's at least take it on the good one this time so I can fucking bolt up.
We'll have to carry Amy home.
She who trips on hula hoops.
Brian keeps telling everybody I was taken out by a 4-year-old. What the hell?
No, I've...
Getting shit about that at the freaking PVAS meeting back on Thursday. Yeah, I'm gonna be getting shit about that on my deathbed.
And we'd like to remember the time that Amy tripped on the hula hoop.
This bitch here.
Okay.
You know I'm telling the lotion story at your funeral, right?
Yes!
Doesn't matter unless you're doing the hula hoop at the same damn time. So,
And this one time at my house with my brother.
And then the Yeti.
with their box of wheat thins.
Hold on. That was my contribution. I think I shit my pants.
I think I just shit in my pants. Songs of real life. Our version.
Our version.
Hi, Steve. SIRO4. That is all. Work on it.
We want more. We want more.
We want more.
4 more years. Wait.
Wait, what?
I'm impatient, let's not.
Yeah. Alright, well, enough of this bullshit because it's a little chilly out here and we need to get back. So,
Our nipples are hard. Woo!
no.
Yes!
So, June 7th.
Look for us.